Hello guys, welcome to Outsource demo series. So today we have a connector which is Google Meet connector, and I already installed the Google Meet connector in Odoo, and after installation we have the following menu options with their specific features, and I will try to explain these features with some of the examples. Hopefully you can understand the actual workflows. So the first menu option which is credential. So in credentials, connector will require some of the credentials related to the Google platform, in which you can create a project, an application and API account, and then you will configure some of the required information, and after that you will create these type of credentials. Okay, so after creation and putting these credentials in Odoo, you just click to the connect button. So this will ask for a specific account that you want to be authorized, and after that you will see this notification that describe Google did not verify this application. So currently we did not ask to verify this application by the Google platform. So you can use the unsafe method and allow some of the permissions, and you will redirect to the Odoo again. Okay. So this is the authentication process. Okay. So let's move to the next, which is the connector. In connector, we have the following operations related to the meeting events, which is the import or export, and you can also filter it with the specifying these type of values. For example, you can fetch the records accordingly, create date, modify date, the start or end date. Okay. So it's up to you. You can select either of any option, and also you can specify the daytime filter with distinguish a specific number of records. Okay, so this is the connector option. So I just try to explain all of the menu options, then I will start with some of the examples. So let's move to the next, which is the history. So in history, you can get the information related to the new events, updated the reference events. Okay, same in the case of export. Okay, the last menu option, which is the settings, in which the CronJob settings, in which you can define all of the automations related jobs. Either you can use the import option or export option, so it's up to you. You just enable the DAT option, or I can say DAT operation, with specifying the information. You can specify that the only one time this will be work, or unlimited time, and the next interval, which is a positive number, not using a negative number. Okay, and the interval type, which means that the minutes, hours and days, you can select that. Okay, so after that you just save the configurations. So I just disable this. Okay, so as you can see that the information is being updated. Okay, so back to the connector, and I will create some of the events, and we will try to import or export. Okay, so first I will create a new event here in Google Calendar. So here is this date, and try to add import event meeting testing, and add meeting Google Meet video conferencing. Okay, here this is the join link, and also you can add some of the participant, and other field as well. For example, okay, so some of the description as well, I will add some of the description. Also you can specify some of the reminder as well. Okay, so I just click on to the save. So this event is successfully created with specific information. So I will try to import this event in Odoo. So just click on the import option. You can also use the manual option and also use the CronJob as well. So currently I'm using the CronJob option and try to import into the Odoo. Okay, so click on that. So as you can see that we successfully imported our event, and let's move to the calendar. And as you can see, we successfully imported this event with specific information, including the link and the address information and the description. Here is the Google related information as well. Okay, so as you can see that we successfully imported this event. Also you can update, I can say that you can use three real-time functions that will affect the Google Meeting event at the real time. So you can create a new meeting, update the existing meeting, and delete the existing meeting as well. So you can use these operations at the real time. Okay, so I will demonstrate this feature that I am talking about. So first I will update this existing event by adding this reminder. Okay, and change some of the description as well. And after I will click on the save button. So as you can see that the changes is saved in Odoo successfully in Odoo Calendar, and we will check also in the Google Calendar as well. So I just go to the Google Calendar and click on the event. So as you can see that the description is being updated and the reminder as well that we have configured. Okay, so as you can see that the changes will reflect at the real time when you reflect some of the adjustment in the meeting event. So now I will try to delete this event and check that either it's the event is deleted real time or not. So I just click on to the delete option. Okay, so the event is successfully deleted in the Auto Calendar, and check that in Google Calendar as well. Okay, so as you can see that the calendar is now more here. Okay, also I will refresh the page for clarification. Okay, so the event is deleted successfully at the real time. Now I will create a new event and try to check that either it's created real time or not. So I just put some of the dummy information. Export meeting event. So these events currently did not have any information. Okay, you can specify that the state as well with the status. So currently the information will not be, when you create this event, then it will auto complete all the relative information into that meeting event. Okay, so I just click to the save button. So the event is successfully created in Odoo, and we will check to the Google Calendar as well. So refresh this page, and as you can see that we successfully created event, okay, at the real time. Also you can check that we have the meeting link, and here in information related to the IDs and the meeting link, okay. So these are the features that we have integrated into the Odoo Google Meet connector with respect to the meetings and events. So if you have other than any requirements, you can ask to the support department and we will try to implement as soon as possible. Okay, so have a great day. Bye bye.